Welcome to How to Pack with FedEx, where we show you how to pack with confidence. Ooh, I love that piece of jewelry.
Thank you so much. In this video, we're gonna ship a necklace. And you know, packing and shipping jewelry does not have to be stressful. Whether you're making jewelry at home, a professional jeweler, or sending something to a loved one, FedEx has options designed to keep your shipment safe, from drop-off to delivery. Materials for packing and shipping jewelry include a small bubble mailer, a small rigid box, tissue paper, foam, zip seal bag, bubble wrap, packing tape, and 2 copies of your shipping label. Optional items include a jewelry box, air pillows, and packing paper. It's a good idea to clean off each piece of jewelry prior to packing it. Place each piece of jewelry in a small pouch or cloth. Then wrap it with bubble pack, paper padding, or foam sheeting to prevent movement and damage. Pack the jewelry in a small, sturdy jewelry box or padded mailer that will fit snugly in an outer box. Seal the inner box or mailer. Place your inner box or mailer inside a rigid, corrugated shipping box and fill all the empty space with cushioning material to prevent movement. FedEx has an extra small box that works nicely for pieces of jewelry. At this point, prior to final sealing, it's a good idea to measure and weigh the outer box and create your label. You can go to FedEx.com to determine the best shipping option for you and to create your label. Be sure to print 2 copies of your shipping label. FedEx allows jewelry shipments to be declared at a maximum value of up to $1,000 per package. If your jewelry is worth more than the standard declare value limit, you should purchase third-party insurance, as FedEx does not provide insurance for potential loss or damage. Be sure to go to FedEx.com to find out more about standard declare value limits and third-party insurance. Place a copy of your shipping label inside the box before you tape it up. That's important in case the outer label comes off the box during transit. Using the H-taping method, completely seal the box using adhesive strip or reinforced packing tape. Now it's time to apply the outer shipping label. Ensure the label is secure and the barcode is visible. All that's left is dropping the jewelry off at a FedEx location or scheduling a pickup. For more on how to pack and ship, visit FedEx.com. For business customers shipping higher value jewelry, FedEx also offers a security box kit through our Declared Value Advantage program. This allows you to declare a value of up to $100,000 for approved jewelry shipments. The kit features a special retention pack insert designed to securely hold your items in place for an extra layer of protection. Once secured in the insert, you'll place it into your final outer shipping box. For more on how to pack and ship, visit FedEx.com.
And remember, if you need help with your packing and shipping needs, you can always come into a FedEx office location and we can pack it for a fee. Find your nearest staffed FedEx location at local.fedex.com. Thanks for watching. For more How to Pack videos, click here. And be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking here. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.